Datoy, and I'm going to report our topic, the global food security. So, global food security is facing a multitude of challenges, with several current issues pushing the world closer to a food crisis. So, one of the current issues today that pushing the world closer to a food crisis is the war in Ukraine. So the ongoing conflict has significantly disrupted global food supply chains because Ukraine is known as the breadbasket of Europe. So they are the one of major exporter of mga kanang wet betal gamag mga pan ana. So sila ang major exporter ana. Next is the another current issues is the climate change. So why climate change can affect the global food security? So the most affected are often those living in poverty. So smallholder farmers and the communities reliant on agriculture for their livelihoods. So climate change. So ang major jud nga maapektuhan ani is ang mga kanang mga poverty kanang mga naglisod. Like also sa mga smallholder farmers kanang mga ginagmay bitaw nga mga farmers sila mga basak. So sila ang major nga most nga ma-affect ani climate change. And then next is the COVID-19 pandemic. So in COVID-19 pandemic, lockdowns, travel restrictions, and economic downturns caused by pandemic led to disruptions in supply chain, job losses, and reduced purchasing power, making food less accessible and affordable. So those are mga current issues na naka-push bitaw to our world closer to global food crisis. So next is the United Nations Committee in World Food Security, or what we called CFS, describes it as a situation in which all people at all times have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food that meets their food preferences and dietary needs for an active and healthy life. So, kining United Nations Committee on World Food Security, or CFS, is muna sila ang naga-conduct kanang mga policies sa kanang in terms sa mga food security. So sila ang nag-conduct og policies. So ang aims nila is to harmonize policies at the national, regional, and global levels to create more coherent approach to do food security, and also serves as platforms for member states like UN agencies, civil society organization, and the private sector to discuss and develop policies related to food security. And then sila pud ang nag-provides as technical assistance and advice to countries and regions to help them develop and implement effective food security. So how is global food security achieved? So first is trade. So what is trade? Countries work together to improve trade and investment policies. So ang trade is kanang mga siya ang mga countries, so mga different nga mga kanang bisag insa nga mga bansa sa tibuok kalibutan. So they are here to work together, nagtabang-tabang sila para to improve trade and investment policies. Second is infrastructure. So countries improve storage, transportation, and ensure they have enough people and machines. So infrastructures. So countries improve storage, mga storage o mga butanganan sa mga food supply nila. So sila ang para ma-achieve ang food security. So third is food production. So countries streamline food production and storage. So third food security, how to achieve is to the food production. So countries streamline food production and storage. Sila kanang mag-open bitaw new food production ng mga products in terms sa mga foods. And then fourth is climate change. So countries work to combat climate change. So we know naman nga climate change is kanang very harmful sa in terms sa mga products or mga livestock, mga crops, di ba? Ang mas naapektuhan sila ng climate change is ang agricultural sectors. And then, moto siya ang how to achieve global food security. So, trade, infrastructure, food production, and climate change. So, moto siya upat. And then, next is, alay na punta sa next. So, what are the strategies to improve global food security? First is sustainable agriculture. So, practices that promote environmental sustainability, biodiversity, and resource conservation. So, improve global food security. So, tanan na lang atong matakol bitaw is about agriculture in terms of global food security. Why? Because agriculture magnagikan ang atong mga pagkaon. So, muna siya, mas more siya in agriculture. Kaya mas kung say maapektuhan na yung agriculture, so maglisod po ta og supply sa atong mga foods, atong pagkaon. Kaya diha man nagikan atong pagkaon sa agriculture, sa atong mga tanom. Second is investing in smallholder farmers. So supporting small-scale farmers with access to resources, technology, and markets. So kini siya is kanang bitang support sa mga smallholder farmers. Ni ang mga ginagmay ra bitaw nga uma. So support ni sila in terms sa mga access sa resources, technology, and markets. So like smallholder farmers, so tagaan sila og ng mga technologies para matabangan pa ang ilang mga uma, para mas mapadaghan ang production bitaw sa ilang uma. And then third strategies to improve global food security is reducing food waste. So implementing measures to minimize food loss throughout the supply chains. So kini third strategies is reducing food waste. Kabantay ta ng mga restaurants karon, like ng mga dato, no? So sige sila pamalit ng mga restaurants pagkaon nila, and then dili nila bitaw tiwasag kaon, sayang na lang ang pagkaon bitaw. So dapat ato ning bantayan nga kanang mamalit bitaw tag mga pagkaon kanang like in restaurants baka ha, or kanang supply sa inyong family, dapat bitaw igo ra nga makakaunta, igo ra nga ma-supply ato kinahanglan in terms sa pagkaon. Kay if madaot ra mo na siya, sayang bitaw. So mahal biya ang mga pamaliton ron. So third strategies is reducing food waste. And then fourth strategies to improve global food security is promoting food safety. So ensuring food safety standards to prevent foodborne illnesses and protect public health. So fourth is promote food safety. So kanang in ani nga strategies is maka-ensure ta nga kanang dapat bitaw na mag-promote ag food safety, na dapat atong mga pagkaon is hinlo, and then kanang bitaw hinlo, and then kung hinlo atong pagkaon is maka-prevent ang mga illnesses nga gikan sa mga hugaw. And then last strategies to improve global food security is to addressing poverty and inequality. So implementing policies and programs to reduce poverty and promote equitable access to food. So last strategies is to kanang implement og kanang mga policies and programs para ma-reduce ang poverty or ang kanang mga naghirap bitaw or naglisod sa like pagpangitag mga pagkaon. So dapat nga mag-implement og policies para ma-reduce ang poverty. So and then next is promote equitable access to food. So mag-promote also og equal nga access sa food. Kanang dili bitaw pobre ang libre ra pay makakaan dato na pay makakaan nga pagkaon. So no, dapat na sila equal nga maka-access sila nga ana nga food. So more to. Thank you.